J. Everyone. Welcome back to HR Skill Mastery. I am so glad you're here because today, we're diving into a skill that is absolutely essential for every single employee out there, no matter your role. We're going to master how to write professional emails at work. Whether you're in HR, administration, marketing, or any office position, knowing how to craft clear, polite, and effective emails can dramatically improve your communication and boost your professional image. It can literally change how your colleagues and managers see you. So, let's break it down, step by step, in a simple and easy-to-follow way. First up, let's talk about the subject line. This is the very first thing your reader sees. And honestly, a lot of people just don't give it enough thought. A great subject line is short, clear, and super specific. Think of it as the headline for your message. For example, instead of a vague subject like hello or important, which might get ignored or lost in a busy inbox, be precise. Use something like meeting invitation budget, review 2026, a request for leave approval for December 2025. A strong subject line ensures your email gets noticed, opened quickly, and the recipient immediately knows what it's about. It's a small change that makes a huge difference. Next, let's move on to the greeting. How you start your email sets the tone for the entire message. Always begin with a polite and professional greeting. Simple and effective options include Dear All, Dear Team, or if you're writing to a specific person, Dear Mr. Dara or Dear Manager. While some very casual company cultures might be okay with. Hey, hi guys. It's always safer to stick to more formal greetings unless you are absolutely sure it's appropriate. Starting politely shows respect and professionalism right from the very first word. Now, for the body of the email. People are busy, right? Their inboxes are flooded. So, your email needs to get straight to the point. In the first 1 or 2 sentences, you must clearly state your purpose. Why are you writing this email? For instance, you could start with, I would like to inform you about the updated project schedule, or I am writing to request your approval for the attached document. Another great one is, please be informed that the office will be closed on Friday. When you state your purpose early, your message becomes incredibly easy for the reader to follow and act upon. No one has time to decode a long, rambling email to figure out what you need. Let's talk about keeping the message itself clear and simple. When you're writing a professional email, please avoid long, dense paragraphs. They are intimidating and hard to read. Your goal is to make the information as easy to digest as possible. Keep your sentences short and your paragraphs focused on a single idea. If you have multiple points to cover, like details for a meeting, use bullet points. For example, lay it out clearly. Meeting details, then list the date, time, and venue. This visual separation makes your email look clean, organized, and so much easier for your reader to scan and understand quickly. Now, let's discuss the language and tone. Professional emails should always be polite. This means using soft and respectful wording. Phrases like, please kindly find the document attached, or thank you for your cooperation, go a long way. Another great one is, please let me know if you need any further information. On the flip side, you must avoid using emotional or negative words. Even if you're frustrated, keep your tone calm, neutral, and respectful. Your email is a permanent record, so you always want to come across as professional and in control. Before you even think about hitting that send button, you have to proofread. Always double-check your grammar and spelling. A small typo or grammatical error can make you look careless and unprofessional. It can distract from your message. Read your email out loud to catch awkward phrasing. And please, avoid slang or texting language. Things like you instead of you, BTW Ford by the way, or informal acronyms have no place in a professional email. Always use full words and complete, well-structured sentences. This shows you take your communication seriously. After you've written your clear and concise message, it's time to end with a professional closing. Just like the greeting, the closing leaves a final impression. Stick with classic, polite options, like thank you, best regards, kind regards, or sincerely. After the closing, add your name. It's also a good practice to include your job title and department in your email signature. especially when communicating with people outside your immediate team. This provides context and makes it easy for them to know who you are. This next tip is simple, but you'd be surprised how often people forget it. If you mention an attachment in your email, make sure you actually attach the file. We've all done it. Sent an email saying, "Please see the attached file," and then forgotten the file. It's a bit embarrassing and creates extra work. Also, pay attention to your file names. Instead of a messy name, use something clear and professional like leave_request_form_225.pdf or training_schedule_nov225.x. This looks clean and makes it much easier for your manager or colleagues to find and organize the documents you send. Okay, now let's put it all together. I want to show you an example of a great professional email. Look at this on the screen. The subject line is clear: project update and action items for week 12. The greeting is a simple, "Dear team." The purpose is stated immediately. In the first line, the key information is broken down with bullet points, making it easy to read. The language is polite, and it ends with "best regards" and a full signature. This email is simple, clean, direct, and completely professional. This is the standard you should aim for. And that's it. Those are the essential steps to writing fantastic professional emails at work. If you can master this skill, I promise your communication will become clearer. You'll be more efficient, and your entire work life will feel so much smoother. It's a skill that will serve you throughout your entire career. If you found this video helpful and learned something new today, please don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to HR Skill Mastery for more content just like this, and share it with a colleague who might find it useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.